What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute, man. I see we already doing that. A lot of people making a lot of money. That's what we are here to do. Congratulations, for those that are invested into Shiba Inu, but also, a major congratulations for those that have jumped in on my alert that I gave out, the Shiba Inu. If you're not getting my alerts, you are missing out right now. I just want to show y'all quickly, but join my private investment community. If you are not one of my course students, then you have to wait in the waiting room to get in here. But if you are one of my course students, you'll be let in the door immediately. And this is one of the alerts that I gave out to my students here. So you can see we got Shiba Inu right here. I put $838 into this play, and I'm sitting right now at $3,909. And that was only in 1.5 days. So y'all need to really be tapping into these plays. So that, again, that's $838 turned into $3,909 in a day and a half. This is what I'm calling out in my plays. You can get my Discord right now for $150 a month. This one play would have paid for the entire year. So tap in with me. Email me ASAP if you would like to get into the Discord for $150 a month. Reach out to me for that. But let's get into the rest of this update. We got a quick Shiba Inu update just to check on the price, keep y'all updated with everything that's going on. So follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco as well. Same way the channel is spelled. Please be aware of scammers. Please be aware of scammers. If someone messages you, reaching out to you, pretending to be me, most likely it is a scam. 10 times out of 10 it's a scam, because I'm not going to reach out to you first. So let's check on the price real quick. We are sitting right at that 39.14 range, 39.15. It's looking very, very nice. I told y'all yesterday it looked like we were holding some support. Shout out to y'all reaching out to the channel. Appreciate y'all. And I told y'all we're just gonna let this thing play out. Let it wait till we get some momentum or a nice movement to the upside or downside, and then we'll do some more TA to analyze, because right now we're just kind of trading sideways, which is a very good sign that the market has basically, agreed on a price where it's at right now. And then, we just have to build up some new catalysts, build up some new holders, some new things happening will eventually staircase the price back up, unless, people begin to sell off for some reason and we see a big push to the downside. Shout out to y'all reaching out to the channel. Appreciate y'all. I will hit y'all as soon as this video is over with. So, also, let's take a quick look at the daily discussion. We do see our previous resistance in the chart area is right at that 35.77 range, as well as 31 range. So we can expect, if we have a pullback, where it continues to drop down or break out to the downside, maybe one of those two areas. And remember, this is not 100%. What's likely or 100% guaranteed. This is not a crystal ball. This is only what is likely to happen. So I just want you to identify these key support and resistance zones. So also we got some resistance at that 42 range as well. So once we can break through that, hold that as a support, we'll start to move back up. We'll break through the 42 range. We'll test this 47 range, just about that, right before that 40, about the 47, 48-ish range. We have to test right there. Also that 50 range, and then we gotta, once we take this dip off the table right here and we break back up to around our I'll say just about our 56 level, that's when we'll continue this trend again that we got here. So this trend we don't, so let me show y'all what I'm talking about, because it might be hard for some of y'all to understand. Okay, so take a look at this trend here. And then let's throw one more trend line here. I'm too close to the edge right now. That's why it's jumping back and forth like that. Okay, so let me drag it over. But what I'm looking for is us to hold here and move along this trend here. So either trade back along this trend, which shows us we can be moving back to around, it's looking like that we want to go back to those high fives, that high five range eventually. So right now, this is probably seeming, sad to some people, maybe even expensive if you've been in, before this previous run up. But let me tell you right now, this is the dip. This is the dip right now. We could even bring out our indicators to see. We could use our Bollinger Bands. We could use our RSI to take a look and determine. Now, you notice that without even having to pull these indicators up, I was able to determine that we are in a dip. Now, we're trading right here at the bottom, right on our lower Bollinger Band on the day chart. Our RSI is sitting at 42.95. It still shows that we could possibly pull down just a little bit, just a hair, because remember, we are on a day chart. So that pull down might only be to approximately about that 36 or 34 level, just about. Possibly, I think the 36 level before and not so much the 34, but it could wick down there and just, you know, pick up some new buyers, those people that got those buy orders set down there. Remember, I told y'all that's the key to winning with this. You set those buy orders really low, you let them get filled, and you automatically make money once they get scooped up and take you back up to where the new support is. That's the cheat code. That's one of the cheat codes. I like to drop these gems for y'all in these videos, and a lot of people are new to the channel. We have over 20,000 unique viewers watching the channel between 6 and 7 videos per week, and still have not yet subscribed. So, you know, I got to repeat a few of these things for them, and also tell them as well to make sure you hit that subscribe button, y'all. We are about to take off. You want to make sure you're in before we hit that 25,000 subscriber mark. We will be there very, very soon. I'm expecting to be there possibly even by next week. So make sure y'all tap in, you know, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss anything that's going on. But it's looking good right here. I'm steady buying. Remember, the dollar cost average, it's not a big deal at what price you get it at. Of course, you want to get it at the best price as possible, but as long as you set an investment schedule where you say, okay, I'm gonna buy every Friday, or I'm gonna buy every Sunday, or I'm gonna buy every, you know, whatever day, or when I get paid, or whatever, as long as you stick to that, over time you will win. Time in the market beats timing the market. Let's check out the daily discussion real quick, see what people are saying. We got some people saying I like shib. Someone said, how about someone use flare? Someone else said, yeah, you know what? Yeah, I do. Okay, I'm not sure what he was talking about. Someone said, well, I'm up still holding 400+%. That's what I'm talking about. So this is one of these people that got in before this run up. So if you are one of the new investors that just got in, you have to be patient. You cannot expect this to take off overnight. You know, sometimes we get lucky like that, you know, with that the play I called in the private Discord yesterday, but not all the time. You know, sometimes you have to give these plays, you know, a couple weeks, a couple months, you know, to work out and really go in your favor. Now, someone else said, I guess we are still having a Black Friday sale. Yes, I am still having a Black Friday sale. Right now, you can get either my technical analysis course, my crypto 101 course, or my stock options trading course right now for 60% off. I've never did a sale this big. This is the biggest sale I've ever did. Do not miss this opportunity. Shout out to y'all reaching out to the channel. I will get in touch with y'all as soon as this video is over with. But yeah, take advantage of that Black Friday sale. This is for those that have over $1,000 invested into cryptocurrency and are ready to take their investing to the next level. If you have not taken my courses, if you have not read any books, or, you know, did anything to further your investment in education, then you are selling yourself short. Do not do that any longer. Reach out to me. This is financial advice to get these courses. Now remember, this video is not financial advice, but to further your education, that is financial advice. So reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com for that. So someone else said the Shib Burn YouTube channel will use half of its ad revenue to burn shib once monetized. Other half will go to taxes and fees. Burns will be done live. New video out now. Please like, subscribe, and burn. So this one says, what is going on with the sub lately? There have hardly been any posts showing up. I know my own won't post, so have settings changed that dramatically that no one can post anything anymore. 5 posts in 7 hours seems suspicious. Someone else said, yeah, I'm guessing people aren't posting or visiting because every post that brings intellectual thought is downvoted. Kind of sad. So much goes on with shib, but you have to follow Twitter to get info. Reddit is only karma farmers. I look here and there. A lot have found. Okay, so this person just going on. So someone else is saying a breakout is imminent. Yes, I do see us having a breakout. We can't call it exactly. You know, they've been shaking us, you know, trying to, you know, give us fake pumps, bull traps, you know, to trick people in, get more money on the table, and they take it right off the table, you know. So, you know, I want y'all to be, you know, prepared, you know, and just wise with your investment, and not look at this as like every day something extravagant has to happen. Give it its time. It will happen when it needs to happen. You just make sure you buckled up and ready for the ride. That's all we got for this video. Again, check out that play that I called. We are up even higher right now off this play. So right now I'm clearly well over 4,000, about, it says still 39, but it should be well over about 4 grand in this play right here off of an $838 play. So y'all tap in with me if you like to get my technical analysis course to learn how I'm catching plays like this. And this is just, you know, one of the many plays that we call. And check out the private Facebook group. You know, you'll see all the people that's knocking it out the park in there. But that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.